is Will. I've taken 3 courses with NetSoft so far, including the VMware course. I've repeated it 2 times, but this is my 2nd time doing it. I really am enjoying the courses. I like the times that they're done at. It kind of works with my working schedule. Now I'm working with VMware, so it's helpful. I get to ask what I need to hear. If I run into anything, I don't have to hesitate in asking the other guys here, and they'll help me out. Yeah, and in the end, it's just helping me out and making me. The instructors, I've worked with Mike Pazin and Tariq, and they've all been great. I've learned a lot from them. It's really helping me out in my career. They're really motivating, and they really do push you to push yourself just a little bit further all the time and get you out of your comfort zone. So that's something really important that they do here that they haven't at other places that I've been. So I really like that. It's actually really important. Also, they kind of know you on an individual level. It's not just like you're just a student or a number, and then they make you do the course and leave. They give you the option to repeat the course for free, which is really good because repetition does help a lot.